All right, here we go, I guess.
Oh, we're going. Not high.
We never even checked anything. It just starts. We're in the front row here on Tsunami at Scene75 Dayton. Those are unbuckled still.
Welcome to Dayton.
This is how we do it in Dayton.
Ooh, here we go. Now we're gonna whip it.
Little dip and then turn.
All right, there we go. Front row. All right.
And down the drop.
Down the big drop. This is the big drop. Whoa. Okay, so the last row is definitely the worst.
Yeah, the back row is crazy. Front row is mild.
This is no problem.
Yeah, this is no problem.
All right, up the lift hill. Oh, jeez.
We're spinning, and we're spinning on the lift hill.
Going around. Going around. We're spinning out. Here we go. Little dip. Little dip. Around the corner. And then here. Oh, I'm going backwards. Oh, jeez. No! Okay.
Okay, that's a little louder.
Not as much air time, but definitely a drop.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
And up we go again. Is this the third time? This is the third time. 3 cycles.
3 cycles.
I'm kind of dizzy.
This isn't as bad as the
no, it's not. I'm so
last
dizzy
row.
now.
Yeah, for sure.
I like the lights. You see the lights?
Yeah, all LED.
Yeah.
Swooping, going backwards.
Whoa.
Is it gonna lock us in here now?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a good slowdown.
Yeah.
That's an easy
And that
slowdown.
is Tsunami.
All right.
Here at Scene75 Dayton.
See.